Hello all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix the camera in Windows 10. I am going to show you in three different ways how to fix the camera. Firstly, type here, search for camera, open the option. In my case, the camera is not working. If the symbol is shown here like this, I'm here to help you out. Close this. Now open settings option. You can open settings option here in Windows button or type here for settings. Open settings here. Search for camera privacy setting is here in first option. Click the first option, camera privacy setting. Click on the button change button. Make sure the camera access for the device should be on. I repeat, the camera access for the device should be on. After oning the camera option, now open the search box and search for camera. Open the camera and see if the camera is working or not. In my case, it's not working. So don't worry. I am going to show the other way to fix it. Now open device manager. Open it. After this, I am maximizing the screen. In this fifth option, you can see the cameras. I think it's visible for you. I hope it will be having in your system also. Click on the camera icon. Click on the integrated camera. Right click on it. Uninstall device. Click on the uninstall device. Third option. Uninstall device. After clicking, make sure the delete the device software for the device should be unchecked. Don't check this one. Directly uninstall the software. After uninstalling, you can see the camera option is disappeared from this. Now go to action. Next to file, go to action. Click on the scan for hardware device changes. Click on the first option. Now you can see the camera is visible here. Now again click on it. Right click on integrated camera. Click on the first option, update drivers. And click on the search automatically for the drivers, first option. And make sure it is closed. Now you can check the camera is working fine or not. In my case, it's not working. So I can show you other way how to fix it. Now close all this window. Search for Lenovo Vintage. I hope it is default present in every Lenovo software. Open it. After opening, you can see the device option here. Click on the device option. Click on display and camera. Scroll it down and see the camera option here. Click on the camera privacy mode. The camera stops sending live images when the privacy setting is enabled. Turn these settings on only when you do not want to share your images to others while video calling. Please click on this option. Now you can see my camera is working fine. Now open the camera option, camera in your device. Now open. Now you can see my camera is working fine. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure subscribe to my channel and don't forget to share the video and like the video. Stay tuned. We'll meet in the other videos.